Here it says the frequency column graph gives the value of donation for an overseas aid organization collected in a particular street. Part A as construct a frequency table for the graph. Here it's my graph, the dollars, and for the horizontal axis, and frequency for the vertical axis. And we say $1 would be 7 times we collected 7 times. So the donation in dollars, I say $1, right? $2, $5, $10, and $20. So 1, 2, 5, 10, and $20. For frequency, how many people give us $1? 7. If we look here, it would be 7. So 7. How many gives $2? 9. How many gave $5? 2. How many gave $10? 4 people. And how many gave us $20? That would be 8. In total, how many people or how many times I get donation or money, I have to add them up, would be 7 plus 9 gives me 16. 16 plus 4 would be 20. And 20 plus 10 would be 30 here. So the total frequency would be 30. For part B, it was part A. For part B, it says determine the total number of donation. The total number of donation would be 7 times $1. 7 of $1, so 7 times $1. And 9 times $2, so 9 times we gather $2 plus 2 times we get $5, so 2 times 5 plus we get 4 times $10, so 4 times 10, and 8 times we got $20. 8 times 20, that the answer would be 7 times 1 gives me 7 plus 18. 9 times 2 and 2 times 5 gives me 10. And 4 times 10 gives me 40. And 8 times 20 gives me 160. If I add them up, it would be 200, 210, and at the end, it would be 235. So part B, I can say $235. It's the total number of donation. Part C asks, find the mean. So part C, I am gonna find mean. To find mean, we know mean is an average. That means sum of all the data value, the sum of all the data value over sum of all the data value over the number of it. So it would be the average, gives me median. Sum of all the data value I find here. So 7 times I get 1, 9 times I get 2, 2 times I get 5, 4 times I get $10, and 8 times I get 20 that I calculated for part B. So I write 235. How many people? 30 people. So my mean would be here, mean would be 7.83 and 3. Okay, it's my mean. C part 2, median. If I order all the value, rewrite it in order or value when data is ordered, the median is the middle value. Okay, so median here, if I want to find the median here, is between, here I have 30 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, so it gives me 15.5. So I can say median is between median equals 5th and 6th value. The average of 5th and 6th value. So here 5th and 6th value would be here 2 and 2. So I say 2 plus 2. The average of them would be 2. So the median would be $2. And mode, we know the mode always, we say mode is most often. So the most often here would be 9, that means $2 has more frequency, so would be my mode. So here mode would be $2. Part D says which of the measures of center can be found easily from the graph only. We see mode. Mode, I can see which one has the most frequency from the graph. So I can find it easily from graph.